Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hydroponics and how you can use it to grow onions right at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this video is for you. So, what exactly is hydroponics? Simply put, it's a way to grow plants using water and nutrients instead of soil. This method allows for faster growth, higher yields, and can be done indoors or outdoors. Now, you might be wondering, why onions? Onions are a staple in many kitchens around the world. They're versatile, nutritious, and can be grown year-round with hydroponics. Onions are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Plus, growing them hydroponically means you can enjoy fresh onions without worrying about soil-borne diseases. Let's get started with setting up your hydroponic system for onions. You'll need a few basic supplies: a hydroponic system, nutrient solution, grow lights, and onion seeds or seedlings. First, set up your hydroponic system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure your system is in a location with adequate light, or set up grow lights if you're indoors. Once your system is set up, it's time to plant your onions. Place the seeds or seedlings into the growing medium and ensure they're properly spaced. Regularly check the nutrient levels and pH of your solution. Onions prefer a pH of 6.0 to 6.5. Keep an eye on the water levels and ensure your plants are getting enough light. After a few weeks, your onions will be ready to harvest. Look for mature bulbs and healthy green tops. Gently remove them from the system and enjoy your homegrown onions. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown onions. Whether you're making a salad, soup, or stir-fry, you'll love the flavor and satisfaction of growing your own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips.